Bitcoin broke out of the triangle formation we have been talking about in yesterday's video. We came to the first resistance level right here, and so far we have seen a rejection, and it looks like Bitcoin is right now trading in a range bound construction. Guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about what we can expect with the Bitcoin price in the not so distant future, which levels we have to watch above us right now and which levels we have to watch below us. So guys, all about that in today's video. Let's dive right into it. And guys, I want to start off with Bitcoin on the daily time frame. So let's switch right here to a daily time frame. Let me get rid of the drawings right here. Let's just have a look at the price structure of Bitcoin. So what we can see right here is that we had a nice bounce so far from the lows right here around July, which was at approximately 29,500. We got a bounce of over 75%. We surpassed the 61.80%. That is as well the signal that we are using whether Bitcoin is looking bullish or bearish after this bounce. If we are losing this level after breaking it, that is a bearish signal. And as you can see, the moment we lost that after we broke it, we saw that for the dump. And we actually came very, very precisely to the 38.20% at roughly 43,000 US dollars. And from here, we are seeing Bitcoin bouncing so far on the daily time frame, which is quite interesting, especially when we bring out the most important moving averages on the daily time frame, which is the 200-day moving average and the 20 EMA. So what we can see is that if we have a look at the body of the candles right here, then we didn't had a daily close below the 200-day moving average, which so far is a bullish sign and shows us that, like I said in my previous videos as well, even though if Bitcoin were to look bearish, it makes sense to at least have a small bounce from this level to get a reaction, right? I think one very important level above us right now is the 20 EMA on the daily time frame, because as you can see during this uptrend right here, this level has been acting very, very accurately as support and was showing us that on a daily time frame we are in a uptrend as long as this level is holding support. The moment we broke that support right here, we have to assume right here on the daily time frame that we are in a daily downtrend, especially if this level is going to act as resistance. The 20 EMA on the daily time frame right now is at approximately 47,900 US dollars. Then guys, I want to bring back my drawings again, because if we zoom in right here, then you can see that we also have at the top of the range bound that we are trading in right now, we also have an important Fibonacci level at 47,000 US dollars. That is going to be the next major resistance for Bitcoin. If we can break above the 47,000 US dollar level, flip this level into support, the next level to watch is of course the 20 EMA on the daily time frame, which would be like approximately 800-900 US dollars above 47,000. And guys, if we can break above that level as well, then the next major level to watch is the 61.80% Fibonacci level based on this drop, which is at 48,870 approximately, which is slightly above the 20 EMA on the daily time frame. So these are the most important levels to watch. We got 47,000 US dollars. That is the 50% Fibonacci level based on the bigger move. Then we have the 20 EMA on the daily time frame, which right now is at approximately 47,900, and above that we got the 61.80% at 48,870. If we flip this level into support, Bitcoin is looking bullish, and that increases the likelihood that this was just a pullback and that we are going to continue this uptrend. However, the opposite is true as well. If we were to get rejected at one of these key levels and afterwards lose the 200-day moving average, then most likely this correction isn't over and Bitcoin is going to see lower levels in the month of September. Another sign that we can use is the same thing that we have seen right here, is for example that we first break above the 61.80%, afterwards we are failing to hold this level as support and we are losing this level again. That is also a bearish confirmation. So that are the signs basically you want to be watching in the Bitcoin price right now over the next coming days and weeks in order to determine whether we have finished a pullback right here and Bitcoin can continue a new uptrend, or whether we are going to see a further correction. Then guys, I want to have a look at some on-chain analytics, but before we are going to dive in these on-chain statistics, I want to remember every single one of you that if you are interested in trading Bitcoin with leverage on the spot market or a variety of altcoins, you can do that either on the Bybit exchange or over on the Femix platform. I'm using both exchanges on a daily basis for my spot trading, but also for my leverage and my margin trading. And on Bybit right now, if you use my affiliate link to sign up on Bybit, you can get an additional bonus of $610 and on the Femix platform, you can get an additional bonus of $2,000 if you meet the deposit requirements. So guys, for all the traders out there, if you are interested in joining one of these platforms, you can find my affiliate links down below. Then guys, if you haven't done so already, it would be very, very much appreciated if you would leave a thumbs up down below. And of course, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Then guys, I want to show you this chart, which has been shared by William Clemente. And like I've said in my previous video as well, we are going to have a look more and more often at on-chain statistics, as they are actually quite important for our analyzers, because in the previous past we have been predicting certain breakouts based on on-chain statistics as well, right? The direction of a certain breakout. And what we can see right now is that we are seeing a continuation of that supply shock in Bitcoin, which means that there is more and more accumulation going on and less Bitcoin available on exchanges. And guys, this is a very bullish sign, because when the supply is decreasing and the demand stays the same, then actually the demand increase relatively to the supply, right? So that will drive the price up eventually. And this is an interesting development, because I think this could be an argument to say that we might have seen a Bitcoin pullback and that Bitcoin is going to continue this uptrend from here. So I think we have to be open for both scenarios right here, because we are seeing some evidence that there is some heavy accumulation going on with Bitcoin on exchanges. And guys, let's dive into the shorter term time frame right here. Let's dive into the hourly chart. Let's get rid of the moving average right here. And let me bring out the momentum indicators, because this is actually quite interesting what we are seeing right here. Yesterday I've been publishing a short video stating that we are forming most likely a triangle formation and can see a breakout. Most likely that breakout is going to the upside. I even said that we could be seeing a fake out before having that breakout. That is something we are seeing very often to trap the bulls and bears right here. So they think that the bullish breakout is invalidated, and the bears, they think that we have a bearish breakdown. But eventually we are doing the opposite. We have a quick fake out and then we go back up, and we are actually seeing a break of the trend line. But what we see right here is that we don't have a lot of follow through yet with that breakout. We had a nice breakout. I've traded this over on Bybit with a small leverage. I already took profits right here at the top of the range. And yeah, what you can see is we got rejected right here. We came back down. We backtested the former resistance as the new support right here. So that is quite interesting. And we right now have a clear neckline where Bitcoin is getting rejected from, which eventually could result as well in an inverse head and shoulders pattern, right, with a left shoulder right there, head in the middle, right shoulder right there. I don't think it's the most beautiful pattern, but I think the interesting part right here, guys, is the momentum indicators. When we have a look at the relative strength index right here, for example, or at the money flow right here, then we can see that we had that bullish divergence, right? That bullish divergence right here was also the argument which I had to why it is more likely to break out to the upside, right? Bitcoin is coming down, testing a key support level, 200-day. We have a consolidation after a big dump with a bullish divergence. Well, most likely we will get some upwards price movement from here. But what I've been saying in the past about bullish divergences or bearish divergences in a bull market can now also be stating about bullish divergences in a bearish trend, because right now we have to assume Bitcoin is in a bearish trend on a daily time frame due to the fact that we are trading below the 20 EMA on the daily time frame. Right now, the RSI could make space for more bearish momentum. So if we extend this trend line right here, we can see that we Also could even be in a ascending triangle with a horizontal resistance, a uptrending support, where we could see a breakout from very, very soon. But if we have a look at the momentum indicator, then we can see that the RSI is right here in a uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. So if we continue this uptrend and eventually we are going to see a breakdown, and we continue this uptrend and we break the support right here, that could be a confirmation that we actually see a breakdown of this formation and a continuational move to the downside. However, the opposite is true as well. If we were to break above the horizontal resistance right here, then this momentum that we are seeing on these momentum indicators can bring a lot of bullish momentum basically right here, which can cause for a nice bullish breakout. And then it's going to be important, the levels that I've been just pointing out, right, 47,000, because that is approximately the horizontal resistance right now at $47,000. Then we have 47,900 approximately, which is the 20 EMA on the daily time frame, and afterwards we have 48,800, which is the 61.80% based from this drop from the Fibonacci retracement tool, right? So these are the levels to watch. I think momentum right here is very important. If we were to get a breakdown of this momentum together with a breakdown of the price, then we might see Bitcoin going to lower levels right here. And then it's going to be important whether we get that daily close below the 200-day moving average. Guys, quickly to show the target of this formation, if we measure the target to the upside, then that would be a Bitcoin price of approximately 49,700. I think the interesting thing about this target, guys, is that it is aligning with previous support and resistance. So with this level has shown a lot of significance in the past. That confluence is often very important when we have a look at targets. If we were to break out to the downside, of course it depends where we break out to the downside. Let's say we would break out right here, then the downside target would be at approximately 44,144 of this channel. But do take in mind, guys, that there are some levels in between I've been pointing out which are important as well. But okay, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated, guys. And for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin to long or short Bitcoin with this move, you can do that either on the Bybit exchange or over on the Femex platform. And if you use my affiliate link down below to sign up on Bybit, you can get an additional bonus of $610. And if you sign up on the Femex platform using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $2,000. Then, guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.